In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy link to a single page in Canva. If you've ever wanted to show someone just one slide from a deck or a single page from a multi-page design, you don't have to send the entire file. Canva lets you grab a link that jumps straight to that exact page, which keeps things focused and saves people time. First, open your project in the Canva editor. Make sure you're actually inside the design canvas, where you can edit content, not just on the home dashboard. Along the bottom of the editor, you'll see the row of page thumbnails. This strip is your page navigator and shows all the pages in order, like a film strip. Find the page you want to share in that bottom thumbnail strip and rest your mouse over it. When you hover, Canva highlights that thumbnail to show it's selected. Now perform a right-click on that specific page thumbnail to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on devices without a dedicated right-click, use the system's right-click gesture or long press to bring up the menu. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Copy Link to this page and click it. The moment you select it, Canva places a special URL on your clipboard that points directly to the page you hovered over. You may see a quick confirmation like link copied, but even if you don't, the link is now ready to paste. From here, share that link wherever you normally communicate. Paste it into an email, a chat message, a comment, or a project tracker. When someone opens it, they'll land on that exact page inside the design. Keep in mind, this link doesn't change your sharing permissions. Viewers still need the appropriate access to open the design. If someone says they can't view it, it usually means their Canva access to the design is restricted. A quick tip for clarity: before you copy the link, double-check you hovered over the exact page you intend to share, especially in long presentations. It can help to zoom out or briefly preview the page so you're certain it's the right one. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, hover over the page you want, right-click the thumbnail, select Copy Link to this page, and paste the link wherever it needs to go. It's a simple way to share precisely what matters.